So, like most people at that age, I used to hate math and science with a great passion. I used to take pride in hating them. In fact, like we used to make fun of stuff like when is the slope of a line ever going to be useful in my life? This is pointless. Why am I learning this?
This boy came with a maths teacher in my office. And when they both sat in front of me and with smile on the face and a two-paper booklet in his hands, he just shyly, very shying way, he presented that paper to me and said, "Sir, मैंने कुछ किया है."
I had absolutely detested math and science with a passion. I used to think that they were subjects that were just not meant for me, and that only people who were born with the highest of IQs were able to understand it. That outlook completely changed when I met the teachers and the students here, because they were just as passionate as me. My name is Pranav Iyer, and I'm studying in class 12, Gurukul the school. I have recently published a paper in an Austrian journal, Junior Journal of Science and Technology. It was based on the consequences of Ramanujan's sum on the number line and the coordinate systems. So the way I got there was an incredibly long and eventful journey, and the school played a major role in shaping my beliefs and my actions towards math and science specifically. Throughout class 9th, I kept asking questions for my teachers, and thankfully they replied really well. Regardless of how out of scope the question was, they always tried to give me a satisfactory answer, or they always did their best. And I think that was extremely helpful.
So one day I was telling them the Ramanujan's infrared series. So I asked everybody in the classroom that, can you tell me that what is the sum of this infrared series? This answer is minus 1 upon 12. They don't know that how to just prove it. So he suggested that, sir, still I'm not satisfied with this proof. So I want to do something in that field.
तो मैंने पढ़ा उसको फिर से, तो उसमें कुछ और छोटी मोटी एरर थी, वो मैंने करेक्ट करवाई। फिर हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना इसको प्रिंसिपल सर के पास लेके जाएं।
तो मैंने जब उस थ्योरी को पूरा पढ़ा तो मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि ये तो कुछ नई चीज है। सो आई थॉट दिस इज प्योर वर्क। देन आई स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग विद सम प्रोफेसर्स इन IIT। उन्होंने बोला ये थ्योरी बहुत अच्छी है, इसको आगे उससे डिस्कस करो। आई वेंट टू अनदर जेंटलमैन, लेकिन कहीं भी मुझे वो होप नहीं दिख रही थी। और ये बच्चा जब भी मुझे कॉरिडोर्स में पास होता हुआ दिखता था तो मुझे लगता था मेरी कोई जिम्मेदारी है। सडनली an old friend from a very renowned university, a mathematics professor, मैंने तुरंत उसको व्हाट्सएप पे उसको लिंक करके भेज दिया उसको।
He gave me the contact to a well-renowned mathematician.
So 2-3 दिन बाद उसका फोन आया and I asked him, how is it going? He said, how is it going? तुम्हारे स्कूल में ऐसे बच्चे हैं? I said, जरा खुल के बताइए, थोड़ा मुझे एक्साइटमेंट होने लगी थी। I was a little excited. So he said, कंटेंट भी सॉलिड है, बच्चा भी सॉलिड है।
And without him, I don't think I would have been able to convert that thing I wrote in a document into a LaTeX format.
So I said, what's next?
So after I had sent the request with my file to the journal,
he said, this theory doesn't need any change. This theory only need formatting.
They had taken a few months' time to review it, and
I said, then what?
When they got back with me and they told me that it was
he said, then what? It is going to be published.
They had a green go for me to publish the paper.
I said, published where? I thought it is in Times of India newspaper or magazine where it will be published. He said, it is going to be published in a journal. It has that content.
And then it all came in that, okay, so I've done this. I've gone from hating math with a passion to publishing a paper in the field of mathematics, and that was really a huge thing.
And I was so happy.
ओ मुझे कितनी खुशी हुई.
We all worked together. We tried our best to help him, but the main contribution is his own contribution.
Student getting his theory published. Isn't it exciting?
रामानुजन हमारा इतिहास है, सोच के सीना चौड़ता है, पर क्लास के कोने में छुपा गणित सम्राट सिर्फ अध्यापक खोजता है. जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने, सुन के अच्छा लगता था. अब जीरो से आगे जाना है और दावेदार हर एक बच्चा लगता है. गुरुकुल द स्कूल. ये स्कूल सोचता है.